Here I'm at my hometown in Salem, and we stopped at Kyle's on the way. He's let me borrow his drone. Anna, where are we going right now?
Kyle's and then what else?
Why are we going to Kyle's?
You broke the propellers.
Because the propellers will hit the ground and break, which happened here. And so I got them all off, and I just ordered on Amazon a replacement of propellers so I can get this drone back to my friend Kyle, who let me borrow it. Thanks, Kyle. Hopefully they come today and we get this thing back in the sky and we land it safely, so we'll see. All right, we're about to go down to the mailbox. Amazon says, my package delivered. We got him. Okay, I'm 1 for 2 in flying this drone. 50%, not that bad, but I have a lot to learn. So yeah, it was pretty fun taking it up in the air. I'm just out here at my hometown, at my house I grew up in. Beautiful spot to fly a drone for the first time. So hope you guys enjoyed the adventure. We'll see how it goes next time.